Best deals.
1. Dishcloth. Made of nylon material, stain and odor resistant, safe to use on all kitchen surfaces, covers dishes, pots, pans, countertops and stovetops without scratching. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Cleaning brush. Comes in 3-in-1 function, that is floor scrub brush and rubber scrape. Carpet cleaner's stiff bristles is used for scrubbing the floor. After brushing the floor, you can easily scrape off the sewage with the rubber squeegee. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Floor cleaning mop. Equips with squeeze mop ultra fine microfiber pads, which made of mixed micro brush to efficiently pick up pet hair, dirt and grime with ease. The washable pad features extra absorbent function to remove excess water with no streaks. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Brush. Specially flagged bristles to clean even the most minute dust. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Brush. Sturdy plastic coated rust proof extendable rod. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Cleaning brush. Wooden handle, long bristles reach deep inside carpets and removes dust and stains from carpets without damaging delicate carpet fibers. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Feather duster. High quality static duster is designed to effortlessly attract and trap dust particles, leaving your surfaces spotless. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Bottle cleaning brush. Head can rotate 360 degrees in one direction with U-shaped silicone cupping brush, stiff bristle corner brush. 3 different functions of the brush head, suitable for cleaning different objects, teacups, milk bottles. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Triangle mop. The unique triangle shape and rotatable cleaning brush provide easy access to corners and hard-to-reach areas. Microfiber flat mop effectively captures dirt, dust, and grime, leaving surfaces spotless and shining. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Screen brush. Cleaner has a hanging hole, can be hung and stored, does not occupy space, is easy and convenient for pick and place, lightweight and durable, can clean screen windows, sofas, seats, tabletops, tiles and so on. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Car interior dust brush. With a beveled arc and bristles makes it easily go deep into the air outlet to clean the hidden dust. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Cleaning brush. Has been made possible by our high-grade durable long telescopic handle, which can be easily extended from 48 inches to 58.2 inches with a secure locking mechanism. Brush scrubber is made of high-quality PP material, stainless steel and iron, while threaded joints tighten the rods with firm locking. The padded handle provides a soft, non-slip and comfortable grip, making it easy to hold even when wet. When cleaning is done, you can hang your bathroom scrubber on the wall using the utility hook, keeping clutter to a minimum. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Window cleaner. New high-quality magnetic technology which clean both the inside and outside of your windows at the same time. Glides along the glass to result a dry, streak-free and gleaming window. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Scrubber brush. Has 3 different high-quality cleaning heads, bristle brush, sponge and microfiber pad. The hard bristle brush is suitable for stubborn dirt cleaning on floor tiles, and the sponge head has super absorption capacity. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Toilet brush. Soft brush can be bent easily, meaning you can use it on any surface without worries like glass or any soft surface. Reach hard to reach spots, with soft character and unique shape. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Electric magic brush. The hard nylon brush is suitable for cleaning kitchen, tub, tiles and so on. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Broom. Broom is flexible and reaches corners easily, it's flat fiber for fine dust removal. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Cleaning brush. Effectively scrub away residue and impurities, leaving your water can spotless. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Toilet brush. The soft brush can be bent easily, meaning you can use it on any surface without worries like glass or any soft surface. Reach hard to reach spots. With soft character and unique shape, our toilet brush can reach hard to reach places in your toilet with ease, giving you an efficient cleaning experience. Just place the brush inside the given cap and all the nasty water just goes off. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Groove Cleaning Brush. These brushes are small enough to enter the gaps in many hard-to-reach corners. It is very suitable for cleaning your doors and windows, blinds, vents, refrigerators, kitchen sink gaps. 2-in-1 multi-purpose detachable dustpan brush clamped together for compact storage and use. One end cleaning brush to sweep away loose dirt, the other end scraper to dislodge stubborn dirt. Cleaning tools have a scouring pad texture that scrubs any surface it comes into contact with. It's perfect for removing built-up grime and dust with minimal effort. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Laptop Cleaning Brush. With nylon bristles, flocking sponge, high-density brush, metal pen tip and keycap puller, dual-head hidden design to meet a variety of cleaning needs. Special selection of nylon brush with moderate softness and hardness, 3-row design with high pore strength, good elasticity, stiffness and compactness. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Fan Cleaning Mop. Flexible fan duster cleaner is a perfect solution for cleaning high areas without any risk. It comes with a 100-inch long extendable fan cleaning duster pole made of high-quality stainless steel, making it easy to reach high places effortlessly. It comes with a long rod that allows you to reach high places without any risk. The microfiber head of this broom for fan cleaning stick is washable and detachable, making it easy to clean. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Bike Chain Cleaner Brush. Its ergonomic and easy to grasp design makes chain cleaning a quick task. Cleaner tool comes with 3-sided bristles that helps you to clean all 4 sides of your motorcycle. Bike chain and the long bristle side lets you clean other parts of your bike like sprockets and wheels. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Car Duster. The fine and dense construction of the bristles ensures optimal dust and dirt absorption, resulting in highly effective cleaning. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Car Duster. It is easily operated and fits comfortably in the hands and soft, comfortable non-slip grip. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Sponge Mops. Suitable for different types of surface such as wood, tiles, marble, concrete, window and more. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Cleaning Brush. Window Net Cleaner adopts double-sided scraping head design. One side is fine fluff to clean dust. Also can use as lint brush, remove dust and hair from clothes, sofa, rugs, bed. The other side is a flexible scraper to remove watermarks and decontamination forcefully. Brush has detachable and foldable functions, and users can adjust the length according to actual needs. Product link is given in the 27th link. 28. Pot Brush. Its durable bristles can easily tackle grease and dirt while being gentle on non-stick cookware and all other kitchen surfaces. Product link is given in the 28th link. Thanks for watching.